Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be lip swatching the clear lip gloss by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. This is in the shade Shane Glossin, which is amazing. This is just a clear gloss. Nothing special, just a clear gloss. The component is absolutely stunning though. I own I think one clear gloss, which is from ColourPop, I think. So this is one layer and it's so glossy. It smells like root beer, so it smells really good. I'm gonna dip in again and add another layer because I am a bougie ass bitch. I absolutely adore this. This is one of the best lip glosses I've ever tried. It feels so smooth. It's not sticky at all. And it smells good. If you are sensitive to scents, this does have a scent of root beer and I can smell it while it's on my lips. So keep that in mind. I really, really like this. I've only tried one other gloss from Jeffree Star, which was Sequin Glass, and I really liked that one. This is honestly stunning. I am so excited to try all of the collection. I will be doing reviews and all that jazz with the palettes, the lipsticks, all that fun stuff. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.